To clean your PW Prep washer, close the door, press Power, then press Enter to confirm. The machine will display Drain and automatically drain. When draining is complete, the machine will power off. Be sure the unit is powered off before proceeding. Open the door and spray down the interior of the machine to remove any remaining food soil or debris. Do not spray the exterior of the machine. Remove the racks. Remove the upper and lower rinse and wash arms by unscrewing the hub. Clean and flush the wash and rinse arms in a sink. If needed, use a toothpick to remove any obstructions in the nozzles. Remove the scrap basket and strainer pans. They are located on the left side on PW10 models and in the center on PW20 models. Empty the scrap basket into a trash can. Do not bang the scrap basket to remove debris. Wash and rinse the strainer pans and scrap basket thoroughly in a sink. Wipe the interior and exterior of the machine with a damp cloth. Do not use steel wool. Spray down the wash tank, then close the door. To flush the wash tank, turn the machine on for about 2 minutes to partially fill, and then turn the machine off to automatically drain the wash tank. Shutdown in progress will be displayed. Remove any remaining debris with a mild cleanser formulated for stainless steel. Reinstall the strainer pans, scrap basket, and upper and lower wash and rinse arms. Make sure the wash and rinse arms move freely. Replace the racks. Use a soft, damp cloth and mild cleanser to clean the controls and display. Do not use harsh cleaners or abrasive pads. Leave the machine off and the door open to air out and dry overnight. Note, the upper baffles on units with the Advances badge will need to be cleaned occasionally. For more information, refer to the operator manual for your machine, available at www.hobartcorp.com/pwtraining.